Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kasorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance menta kadang penkreat syat-syat ban pentraino ia ke projek jong kasorkar pedeng. Kabalatep kum ke Smart Cities Mission. Kabala pentrai lengba ketnat Union Ministry of Urban Development jong kasorkar pedeng. Haka ba lengba kani ke projek on saintor thamai ia ki sispa atli ki bentasor jong kari India. Haba pensya Paidbah Halor ke jing penkreat ia kani ke projek haka ni ke jela Meghalaya. Haka sipau terek mentau benai rempang arajar arpo. O Menteri Sorkar Bakmi ia ketnat ki kampan roisor o ba Hamlet sendoling ulai tu ba naga bentakane ke Sorkar jela ha unai lor jong usnam arjakat pra kala thau kerpang ru ia ke kenhon special purpose vehicle ha ke kerteng jong ke MS Shillong Smart City Limited ya ke ba nadab register ru ha ke arpo artrek u benai kala lengkot jong usnam arjakat khandai balala. Nalor kane ban penteri kami kani projek Smart City ha kani ke jela ke Sorkar kala dapen mi ru ia ke website ke bakarpang. Haka baki Paidbah kila ban Jingmut lang bat ke jing ngau jongki Halor kani ke projek. Bat ya kani ke website latem kum ka www.eol2019.org/citizensfeedback. Haka ni ke jing kendo bat kinong pathai khobor haka ni ke sngi. Laidon rengkat ru u CEO jong ka MS Shillong Smart City Limited u Krishna Murthy. U balapan sya shushu Halor ke jing penkre ke Sorkar ban penteri kam ya kani ke projek Smart City haka ni ke jela.
First of all, let me remind you that Shillong City was declared as the 100th smart city in June 2018. But before started with different activities in Smart Cities project, we have to constitute the special purpose vehicle by the name of MS Shillong Smart City Limited, and it has also been registered on 22nd Jan 2018. 2019. Well, before I brief you about the activities that we have already taken up, first of all, I would like to share with you regarding the needs and the requirement by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. They need to conduct a survey entitled Ease of Living 2019 Perception Survey, starting from 1st to 29 February 2020. Objective of the survey is to get a feedback from the residents, people of the Shillong city and people of the state, to give us information, provide us feedback, and also to share what are the programs that the citizens of Shillong want that the Shillong City to be taken on. And for this, the people can participate, can feed their views by going to the website www.eol2019.org/citizensfeedback. I will repeat. People who want to provide us information, feed their feedback, and anything, they can go to www.eol2019.org/citizenfeedback. So anyone who's going to the site, there will be some queries they'll have to fill up and submit to this network, and the response received from the citizens will help the Ministry of Urban Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, to plan and provide service desired by the citizens. And for this, I would like to invite our CEO, Dr. Krishna, to give us detail. Among that, which I have already stated, so that people of the state will get the clear information on this requirement put forth by the Ministry of Urban Affairs.
According to the 29th of February 2020, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, is conducting an ease of living perception survey. If anybody has got a mobile phone, they can just log in. That will lead to a web page. It will ask you for a few details and options. You can just go on feeding your views. If I can show an example, or later on you can check it out. You can check it on your mobile phones. Also, we are putting up a lot of hoardings across the city. We are putting it in Police Bazaar, in Danketi, in IGP Point, in Upper Shillong Road. All these things we are putting up a lot of hoardings, giving this website, and also there is a QR code. I'll distribute some of the QR codes now. So what we want is to make this more a propaganda across the city and receive the feedback from the citizens of the city on the questionnaire that's on the website.
Even though we have been awarded as the last smart cities, we are 100 smart cities, but we are very happy to inform you that we are going quite fast compared to some other states with regard to the project taken up by the smart cities. And I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate our full-time CEO. Thank you. So now, the project which we have already started, we will be issue the work order for construction of the light craft market. And number two, within this month, we will call again the tender for the Pulau market, and also we will issue we will call tender for the smart road project from behind the Rajwan,
Beaver Road, the Travelers Road, all those roads will be converted into smart roads. As a pilot project, we are taking 6 kilometers in the first instance. After that, we'll take up another 25 kilometers.
So these are the projects that we have already taken up.